Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we will be baking a healthy breakfast recipe, the pizza flavored muffins. These savory muffins are delicious with a melt in the mouth flavor. Have them guilt-free as they are made up of oat flour and hence are gluten-free. You can add a lot of veggies so that you get your dose of nutrients early in the morning. We have added a crunchy flaxseed and melon seed combination on the crust. And if you are new here, do subscribe to the Food Monologue channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all the new recipes. So let's start without further ado. Ingredients for the muffins are as displayed. A complete list of the ingredients is mentioned in the description below. Heat a pan and drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add the onions and saute them till they are translucent. Add the yellow and red bell peppers. Mix them nicely. Now add the tomatoes and saute. Add the salt. Now add the grated paneer. Mix it nicely. Grind some fresh pepper into it and mix. Now shut the gas and allow to cool. Now let us mix the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of oats flour, which is just regular oats grind into a fine powder. To this add 1/4 cup of regular oats. Add the baking powder and the baking soda. Add the chili flakes, oregano and salt. Now keep aside and we will mix the wet ingredients. In a mixing bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Now add the curd and mix well. Now add the oil and the sugar. Now add the shredded cheese. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix with the cut and fold method. Add the vegetables and incorporate. Now preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And grease a muffin pan. Now pour 1 dollop of batter in each cup of the muffin pan. Tap the pan so that the batter gets leveled up and any air bubbles that might exist escape. Now sprinkle it with flax seeds, melon seeds and some mozzarella cheese. Now bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Start checking at 12 minutes. You can broil for 3 to 4 minutes to achieve the perfect golden brown crust and the crunch of the seeds. Check with a toothpick whether they are done or not. The toothpick should come out clean. Allow the muffins to cool and then demold. You can see the layers when you break the muffin. See how soft and spongy the texture is. Enjoy the savory and flavorful muffins for breakfast or for snack. These are gluten-free and packed with nutrients from vegetables. If you like the recipe, give the video a like. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.